Haba, things they solve for this country. Just listen to this.
Is there any reason why Nigeria cannot have light? Tell me. Is there any reason? What is that thing that is very hard that Nigeria cannot have light?
It's common right now on social media, traditional media, even on television for people to ask the question. Yes, we're seeing from the IMF, we're seeing from the World Bank, people are saying that the Nigerian economy is booming. But how does it affect the common man? Well, I want to answer that question, because this is Lagos State, and this is the home state of our president, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCF, our president and commander, chief of the armed forces. But I'll tell you something. Let's take a state like Osun, where they're having an election on Saturday, August 16, 2026. Before President Bola Tinubu became president, Osun had an IGR. That was really nothing to write home about. And then they had federal allocation of just 3 billion naira every month. Their wage bill was 3.7 billion. Now, you can imagine if their wage bill is 3.7 billion, they're getting federal allocation of 3 billion. That means that they can't pay salaries. That's why Osun State and 26 other states could not pay salaries. As I speak to you today, this is 2026. Osun receives 15 billion every month as federal allocation. So, because of President Bola Tinubu's deft handling of the economy, Osun State's federal allocation has increased by a multiple of 500%. Right. That's multiplied by 5. And so we have 1.1 million public and civil servants in Nigeria, that's federal, and about 800,000 in the states. That's 2 million people who, hitherto, they were not getting salaries. They had salary issues, but because of President Bola Tinubu, they are getting their salaries as at when due, and they've got a salary increase. Minimum wage is now 77,000 at the federal level. So if you say that what's the common man benefiting, 2 million people have benefited that way. If you are in Nigeria, when was the last time you heard of ASU strike? Since this history of this country, 66 years, we have never had a period of 3 years in an administration where there were no ASU strikes. So under President Bola Tinubu, you have a 4-year course, been a 4-year course, but it doesn't end there. You have 1 million Nigerian students who, if not for this administration, they will not be able to afford university education. They are in school getting student loans under the NEL fund, and it's interest-free. That means they're not going to pay any interest. 1 million students. So you might have a brother, you might have a sister, or you might have a cousin. You are benefiting.
Brenda, you can't be more true. The same flip, if you look at, what has happened in the oil and gas industry. Not only...
Download Find Them now so that you can upload your products and services so that people go they buy from you steady. Findthamnow.com. Go there now, upload your products and services.
Verydarkman lied. He's a pathological liar. He's a manipulator. And he twists this to suit his narrative. We are here purposely to debunk the lies, and his courage yesterday, being on the 10th of the 11th of
yes, I went to dance yesterday. Yes,
and posted that police were asked to apologize, and to stop, harass, and intimidating
Ahmed Tajuddin. Okay,
gentlemen of the press. Yes, it is true. But how he portrayed it.
Sorry, my brother, did not hear you. Please, can you repeat that thing?
Posted that police were asked to apologize and to stop, harass, and intimidating Ahmed Tajuddin. Gentlemen of the press. Yes, it is true. But
please repeat it again for the people in the back so that they can hear you properly.
Gentlemen of the press. Yes, it is true. But
it is true, Abi. Repeat it one more time for the Oga wey send you. Repeat it again.
Gentlemen of the press. Yes, it is true. But
okay, in that case, AIG Moshood Jimo, prepare yourself and go and apologize to Ahmed Tajuddin based on the order of the court for illegally declaring him wanted without proper investigation, according to what the order has said. Go and apologize. Now, I've seen a lot of people. Let me read the judgment again, right? So the judgment said, an order directing the respondents. The respondents are the Inspector General of Police, the Commissioner of Police, Lagos State, and Police Service Commission. An order directing the respondents to forthwith retract the declaration of the applicant, who is Ahmed Tajuddin, as wanted, and issue a public apology. Now, I've seen the people that might be sponsored to counter this order. I was listening to them, I was just laughing. They say, the court order did not say AIG Jimo. Are you a dummy? They put Police Service Commission there. All of them, they're under the Police Service Commission. Everybody is under the Police Service Commission. And we all know it is Jimo that declared him wanted. As of now, based on the investigation and all the nonsense they did in that case, Jimo is an embarrassment.
Download Find Them now and upload your products and your services so that people can easily see them and buy from you. Also, anything that you're looking for, go to findthamnow.com. You will see it there. Download the App Store, the app from App Store and Google Play Store.
Now, for the record, Nigerians are very, very evil. An average Nigerian person is an evil person. Now, I go watch that woman when they call Verydarkman. Ask Verydarkman no gree help am. Recover his $60,000. Verydarkman no gree help you. The person when they owe you money, you not draw the person the money, oh. You not post the person online for your page, oh. You are not dragging this person money, oh. You are not dragging another person when no gree help you, when won't help you for free. No me say Verydarkman collect the money for your hand, collect money for your hand. He not gonna help am, oh. Verydarkman no help you. You have the platform to call him out. To let us say you carry camera, put for your baby face. Make Nigerians just to prove to Nigeria that Verydarkman is an evil person. You can go to that far. You don't even look the kid's future. You don't look so to that baby now. I'm not supposed to put the face for social media. You put the camera with the big face. Many of us see and say, Verydarkman get the woman get baby, oh, Verydarkman evil. You will say you are Verydarkman. Now who is the real manipulator? Bro, I watched the video, I shake my, I say, yeah? That's what Nigeria be. God. For some person no help you for free, oh. I don't want to do am. I don't want to help you. That's all. You wait to you carry your picky face. You put up for camera just to prove to Nigerians that Verydarkman is an evil person. I see. I don't know whether now let me over reaching this thing. Oh, some of you are evil. Then later we can't find that we can't see video of you calling that same person sugar daddy, the billionaire. They can't see you. They can't see you say you did. Watch the video.
Enter, don't worry.
Auntie. How on? They get money.
They look good. They
get level.
They look good. Wahala.
Shebi una dey see. Shebi una use una eye see by una self. This same person, oh, they call they hail you with her. You call they hail am. So now, this person now eats your money. The person now chop your money. Another man now say, I cannot help you. I don't want to help you. I don't.
Upload your products and services on findandnow.com so that people go dey buy from you plenty.
Okay, take a bar and paper. Let's write 3 ways to know a fake pastor. This video you just watched on this message is not related. It is not. But 3 ways to know a fake pastor. Number 1, when you leave a pastor and you begin to reverence him more than you reverence Jesus, that's a fake pastor. A fake pastor makes you honor him more than you would have honored Jesus. Anytime you go to a church and then you leave that place with a taste of reverence, worship, right? Mental glorification of the pastor, the servant, more than you reverence the person that is supposed to be the husband of the church, Jesus the Christ, then there's a problem. Fake pastor redirects your focus to them other than to the cross. Yeah. How do you know? If someone sends me an errand, you see the delivery guy, the rider, I think that's a better example. When a rider brings something to you, you appreciate the sacrifice of the rider. And then you say, well done, you even pay for the services. But the thank you, the appreciation for that gift goes to the sender. You do not go and start worshiping, valuing, betting.
Download Find Am Now from Google and App Store and upload your products and services so that people will be buying from you sharp. People will see your services and anything that you want to buy around your area. go to findamnow.com and search for it.